my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you how my home is for fall. So it's a quick home tour guys. So if you have missed some of my videos, you can go back to check them out. So I'm going to head upstairs to finish my bedroom and the family room. And guys, I want to share with you how it is right now. You know, I always decorate my home, change the colors often, so I'm going to go back to my neutral decor. But before I do so, I share with you how everything is right now. Alright guys, for those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, and home decor. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. And to all my goodies, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm really grateful for all of you guys and keep on watching. The part that I didn't show in my previous video was my kitchen, and I use exact same plate that I have in my dining room in the kitchen, and I really love the flower. I really love how my kitchen look like. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think. And I'm going to leave the link of everything in my home in the description box down below. If something interests you, make sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Built a shelter in my mind, put you there like you'd been there all the time. Saw you sky high in my days. Felt so small, I had to get another taste. Where do you roam? I can't explain how you still feel like home when you back away, changing your tone with all of your reasons why you have to go. You'll never call, but I lie awake. 'Cause you take the crown, you're my sweetest mistake. Kept at a distance, won't always miss it, but these days I can't seem to shake that you'll never call while I lie awake. You're my sweetest mistake.
My accent chairs, so I always cover them in white covers. So it's fall, so I didn't want to cover them. I wanted to go bold. So guys, I'll leave them like that and I'm loving it.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later it comes later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.